Ayo, learn Indonesian with MWC. Today we will learn how to describe where you are from.
Halo, nama saya Jenny. Saya dari Indonesia. Nama kamu siapa?
Halo, nama saya Lois. Saya dari Uganda.
Saya dari Indonesia means I'm from Indonesia.
English and Indonesian pronunciation of many countries are very similar. For example, Uganda, Uganda. Mexico, Mexico. Canada, Canada. India, India. Germany, German.
But there are some exceptions for Western countries. Among them, United States, Amerika Serikat, the Netherlands, Belanda, United Kingdom, Inggris, Switzerland, Swiss.
But if I say saya dari Switzerland, will people still understand that it is Swiss?
Probably, but you can bring a flag or a map to show people where is it. Or bring chocolate, people will know.
Oh yes, don't forget to bring photos or something unique from your country to share with others in Indonesia 2022. Anyway, thank you for learning Indonesian with MWC.
Join us in Indonesia 2022. I cannot wait to hear where you are from.
Remember to subscribe so you don't miss any MWC assembly videos. Till next time, God bless you and see you in Indonesia.